Hello guys, I'm back again with a new practice set that is 3.3. Last time we have completed our 3.2, so today we are going to learn about practice set 3.3. In this, now what they have given, we'll have to find the sum of numbers. Now see, now you are thinking that the sum of number is very easy, right? Suppose I'll give you the example of natural numbers. I have numbers like from 1 to till 10. Okay, just take till 10. So it will be like just add on this particular number what you are getting now from here. You will just get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till 10 you have to add, right? For the 10 this will be easy, but suppose you have 100 numbers. अगर 100 numbers है ऐसे ऐसे 100 नंबर्स है या 1000 नंबर्स है, तब ऐड ऑन करने में कितना डिफ़िकल्टी, इट विल बी वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. नो डिफ़िकल्टी, यू कैन से जस्ट टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा, उसमें टाइम कंज्यूम होगा. तो इसलिए हमारे पास एक शॉर्टकट है, दैट इज़ फार्मूला सम ऑफ एस ऑफ एन फार्मूला. So that formula we'll have to use in this exercise. Okay, so I'll just tell you what is the formula. Is s of n is equals to n by 2, and then in bracket is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so s of n will be our sum of numbers, n is our number, and again 2 is constant number, and a is our starting term, n is number, and d is our common difference, right? So this formula, we have another formula also, that is, suppose if you have only starting term and last term, so why we need to apply this? We have another formula, that is s of n is equals to n by 2, and in the bracket if you have first term and then last term. For if in the question, if they told you that you have first term and the last term and then find the sum of, just use this formula, you will get your answer. Okay, so we'll start now practice at 3.3. so see in this sorry, first term and common differences of AP, they have given 6 and 3 respectively. So what we have to find out? We have to find S of 27. Now see here what they have given. They have given starting term, they have given, that means value of A they have given, see, and differences also they have given. We have to find out this S of 27, right? That is sum of 27. Sum of 27, we have to just apply the formula. Can you see the formula they have given over here? S of n is equals to n by 2. So what will come over here in the boxes? That will be your 2a, right? It will be 2a. Now in the next line, just substitute the value. Instead of that n, what you have to substitute? 27 upon 2, and then in bracket 6 ka a ka value is your 6 and then 2. So 6 to the 12, so they have written over there 12, right? N is our 27, 27 minus 1. Now what is our D? Is 3. So in this box you'll have to write 3. Just solve it. What you are getting now? See what you are getting. Just tell me. Just keep this as it is, 27 upon 2, and then just do this one. Now you'll get 12 plus 26, right, into 3, because 3 is our these common differences. So just multiply this 26 into 3. How much? Can you tell? 6 3 is 18, right? 18 8, 1 will be carry, then again 6 3 3 2 is 6, and 1, that is 7. Just add this number. How much you are getting? Just 8 and 2 will be 10, then 1 will be carry, then it will be 9. So 90, right? So just write over there 90, and then divide this 90 by 2, so 45, right? They have given over. So just multiply this 27 and 45 and you will get your answer, right? What is the answer of that 45 when you multiply this? Can you tell? That will be your 1215. Okay, this is your answer of the first one. I think this is clear. Okay, now we'll do the next question. Now see in the next question what they have given. Can you read this question? Yeah, what they have given. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers, right? First of all, before starting this, no, you should know the meaning of even natural numbers. you know that natural number is starting from 1, right? Your number is starting from 1, that means this is natural number. But they have told over here even natural. Even means the number which is completely divided by 2. So even number will be like your 2, even number will be your 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, likewise, right? This is your even natural number. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out sum of first 123 even numbers. 123 even number already given है, that means this is the value of your and total इतने evens number है, तो इनका sum हमें find out करना है. So just you can just write over there your natural number. Even natural number will be your 2, that means you have your starting term, you have 2, and then you have your differences, you can say common differences is 2, and your a is 2, and you have that is 123. So just use the formula, put the values and get the answer. So how we can do that? It's very easy, not just your AP will be like, just use the formula S of n is equals to n by 2, and then 2a plus n minus 1 into t, right? So S of 123, right, is equals to, then again 123 upon 2, then 2 instead of a just put over there 2, right? Then here 123 minus 1 and d is our 2, right? आई थिंक दिस इज़ क्लियर. कैसे हम लोगों ने वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किए, किसके वैल्यू क्या है वो क्लियर हो गया. नाउ विल सॉल्व दिस. इसको भी हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास क्या था, 123, राइट, डिवाइड बाय 2 इन ब्रैकेट, दैट इज़ 2 2 ज़ 4, राइट. 123 माइनस 1 था, सो इट विल बी 122 and then into 2 for the d का value, right? And then again just do 123 upon 2 and then 4 plus, just multiply this number, you will get 244, right? And then just add on this 123 upon 2 in the next line, you'll have to write, and then when you add on this number you will get 248, and then just divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are, so how much you are getting? 124. So at the last what you have to do, you are getting now 123 into 124, so just multiply, you will get 15252. So this is the answer of your sum of total 27 123, right? 123 even natural numbers. This is the answer for this. Okay, this question is clear to you all? Okay, now we'll solve the next question. Now see in the third question again the same, sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. This is same as your second question, just try it. Okay, now we'll solve next question, that is fourth one. In the fourth one what they have given, in an AP 19th term is 52, right? AP में क्या है, 19th term is your 52, 38th term is 128. we'll have to find sum of first 56 terms, right? The same as just use this term and this term and get the answer of A and D, right? You'll get the value of this A and D, and then just use the sum formula, because you have 56 term, they have already told you. So just you will get the n value, A value, D value, and just substitute the values in the formula and you will get the sum. Okay, so we'll start. I'll just tell you how to write. See, 19th term they have given, right? So T of 19, just you can write over there, T of 19 is 52, right? And T of 38, that means 38th term is 128. This is given, right? You just write over there given. Okay, and then use formula, that is T of n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for this, just substitute t of 19 is equals to a plus 19 minus 1, d will be as it is. Now instead of this t of 19, what we have to write over there? 52. So just write 52 is equals to a, this 19 minus 1 will be 18, right? So it will be 18d. So from here a का वैल्यू आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? Therefore a is equals to 52 minus 18d. Okay, 18d. This is our equation number 1. Just make it as equation number 1. A is equals to 52 minus 18d. Clear? This is for this term. Now we'll solve next term, that is t of 38. So how we can just solve? Same thing, we'll have to do it over here also. T of 38 is equals to a, instead of n, what you have to write over there? 38 minus 1 into d. Now we have the value of this, that is 128, right? So 128 is equals to a plus, again 38 minus 1 will be 37, so it will be 37d. Now see here 128 and this a, we have the value of the a in the previous term we have solved, we have got the value of this a, right? That will like 52, right? 52 minus 18d, ये था हमारा वैल्यू. Then 37d, ये कहाँ से आया? From where you get this? From 1. Okay, you'll have to just specify this. Then this 128 and this is your number, just take from take at this side, it will become minus. So minus 18d and 37d, how much? It will be your 19d, right? 19d. And then subtract this 128, this you'll get 76 is equals to 19d. So d का value will be your 76 divided by 19, it will be 4. Now you are getting value of d का value मिल गया. Now substitute this d का value in the equation 1, you will get the a का value. Okay, now we'll substitute this d का value in the equation number 1. So equation number 1 हमारे पास a का value था ना, a is equals to 52 minus 18d, right? Just substitute this value over here. So you will get 52 minus 18 into 4. Then it will be 52. 18 4s, that is 72. Just subtract it, you will get minus 20. So this is our value of a. Now we got the value of d and we got the value of a. Both value we have got, right? Now we'll solve next, that is sum. Sum का formula you know, that s of n is equals to whatever the value is there. So how many terms we'll have to find out? 56 terms. That means we have this s of 56, you can say, is equals to 56 divided by 2, right? And then 2, just 2a is our minus 20, right? So minus 20 plus, this is 20, okay, plus n minus 1. So n is our 56 minus 1 and our d is 4, right? You just divide this, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, and 2 8s are 16, that means 28. So it will be 28. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे you will get minus 40 प्लस ये हो जाएगा 55 इंटू 4, राइट? आई थिंक यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर होगा अभी कि कैसे करना है. तो अभी आगे का भी आई थिंक सॉल्व ही करना है, तो वो इजी रहेगा. तो कैसे करेगा? सी अगेन सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. 28 minus 40 and then plus, see, just multiply 5 4 20 and then 20, that is 2 to 0, right? This is, now what we have to do now, just minus this, subtract this, and then whatever value you are getting, just multiply with this number. So how much you are getting when you subtract this 220 by 40? How much you are getting? Till 180, right? 180 should be right. So what you have to write over there now? 28 into 180. So just multiply this and you will get the answer. You will get the answer, that is 5040. Okay, this is the answer of your question number 4. Okay, so with this we have completed our question number 4. Now in the question number 5, complete the following activity to find the sum of natural number from 1 to 140 which is divisible by 5. This is also same as we have already done this. So okay, we'll start now. Now how many numbers they have given? From 1 to 140, right? From 1 to 140 they have given over here natural number which is divisible by 4. So divisible by 4 means how many numbers will be there? See, from 1 to 140 बोला है, जो 4 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए, तो 1 तो डिवाइड नहीं होगा, 2 भी डिवाइड नहीं होता, 3 भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा, सो 4 डिवाइड होगा. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 4. फिर जो भी नंबर्स रहेंगे उसमें 4 ऐड ऑन कर दो, जस्ट 4, 8 एंड देन 12, 16 टिल कहाँ तक हम लोग लेंगे? लास्ट इज 140, बट 140 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4. योर 136 is divisible, so last number will be your 136. Okay, so here you are getting value of a is 4, d ka value 4, and the last, that means total numbers we have to find out. n तो हम लोग को find करना है ना, how many numbers we have to find. Last term you have just use the formula of this tn, this tn formula just use and get the value of n. When you get the value of n, just use this formula s of n, you will get the values. Okay, so this is very easy. This you have to do it yourself, just try it. Okay, so we'll do the next one, that is sum of first 55 terms. Sum of first 55 terms in AP, they have given 3300, right? 3300. What we have to find it? We have to find 28th term. See, this is also very easy. See what we have to do over here. They have given sum. अब तक हम लोग को सम दिया है उन्होंने. एस ऑफ 55, टोटल 55 टर्म्स है, उनका पूरा सम ऑलरेडी दे हैव गिवन 3300 दिया है. सो नाउ यू हैव वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, you have value of this, just substitute, you will get the sum equation and then use this 28th term and then again just substitute the a ka value, d ka value, whatever the value will be there you will get. Okay, so I think this is clear to all, so just try it yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you, bye bye.